Hello guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video, I'll show you the easiest way how you can add a chart to your pivot table. To do so, just click inside your pivot table and on the toolbar, click on Pivot Table Analyst and under Tools or in the Tools section, click on Pivot Chart. Next step, make sure that you are in all charts and select the style or the type of charts which you want to add. Once done, or if you still want to see more, just hover over to see. So for me, this one is fine. I will click on it and click OK. This way, the chart has been added. In addition to that, you can always click on design to choose or to change the colors, the layouts, and the style of your chart. And of course, you can always edit the title by double clicking on it. And if you want additional editing or settings for your pivot chart, just click on it and click on the plus sign, chart elements, and here you can add additional elements to your table and to your chart. Thank you guys for watching and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.